Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with some interesting new features and interesting colors that we might not see on stores, but Samsung will going to give us on the Samsung's official website. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you guys are up for either S23 or S23 Plus, then there is a great news waiting for you. As per recent rumors, S23 and S23 Plus will going to see a battery update. Yes, 200 mAh more than last generation. So the new battery on the S23 will be 3900 mAh, and for the S23 Plus, we are going to see 4700 mAh battery, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with the same 5000 mAh battery. Galaxy S23 Ultra and S23 Plus will going to get a 45 watt fast charger, but S23 will going to get 25 watt fast charger only. Meanwhile, we are going to see some new updates in the displays of Galaxy S23 series. Let me know in the comments, which one would you go for, S23 Ultra or S23 Plus? And are you guys happy with the battery size of all three models? Galaxy S23 Plus and S23 will going to get a new display which will have a peak brightness of 1750 nits, same as the S22 Ultra. And as per recent rumors, Galaxy S23 Ultra will also going to get the same 1750 nits peak brightness. But let me get things clear, S23 and S23 Plus will going to get a Full HD 1080p display, whereas Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to get a Quad HD Plus LTPO dynamic AMOLED display which can go from 1Hz to 120Hz, depends on your usage to save the battery, as we might see the same brightness level but pixel counts will be higher on the S23 Ultra. There are two color options that are not in the game while talking about in-store sales on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and those colors are white and burgundy. As per Ahmed, we may find these two colors later on Samsung's official website, but for now, these colors are not in the game. And if you guys don't know, Galaxy S23 Ultra's signature color will be green, which Samsung will going to use in the promotions of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The best part of Galaxy S23 Ultra that it will going to come with better cooling system, and here are the numbers, how well it can handle. On S23 Ultra, it is going to be improved by 2.3 times from the last generation and addresses the heavy use of a device, meaning your Galaxy S23 Ultra will be better handling the heavy tasks mostly while gaming, so you shouldn't be worried about the heating issues on the S23 Ultra. Samsung planned to launch S23 Ultra on the 1st of Feb 2023, and phones will hit the market after a week or so. If you want to see the real official look of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.